National media should also note this. A defeated MP by large margin, being Chief Minister's daughter, who did not perform for 5 years, who has been rejected by this parliament segment people, today is indulging in Gundaism in the district. She is hiring Gundas from outside the parliament segment to stop me from going around in my constituency. And she is, unfortunately, happens to be the Chief Minister's daughter of Telangana's Chief Minister's daughter. She is forcing the local TRS minister, MLAs to get involved into such activities. This kind of behavior, people of Nizamabad or Telangana will never tolerate. She should be ashamed of herself to be the Chief Minister's daughter. She has not performed. One tarpaulin she could not give for turmeric farmers. She could not get 10 lakh rupees in 5 years. In 3 years, with 1.5 years being affected by COVID, Bharatiya Janata Party, national government and myself, we worked for turmeric farmers and we brought in 6 crore rupees in last 3 years, which was also affected by COVID. Other than that, during her regime, the turmeric price was 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. Today, the turmeric farmer is selling his produce at 10,000 rupees per quintal and more at Sangli. From Nizamabad, they are taking to Sangli and selling at 12,000 rupees. This is because of the measures taken up by the Modi government. By reducing imports, by initiating higher exports, promoting exports, bringing in Spice Board's extension office here, motivating farmers to get into organic culture of farming, and many more such, activating seminars, meetings with all exporters, traders across India. They've been coming to Nizamabad very frequently. With all these various initiatives taken up by Modi government, the turmeric prices which were below 5,000 2 years ago, last year and this year, farmers sold it 9,000, 10,000 in Nizamabad market and 12,000 in Sangli market. She is unable to digest this fact. She has no say here. She has been rejected. If she contests again, which I challenge her to contest, being Chief Minister's daughter, she will be rejected with bigger majority. She should be ashamed of herself calling being a Chief Minister's daughter. There cannot be a bigger loser than her in this country.
Hi friends, మా టుడే టుమారో యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ వీడియోస్ కోసం వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఈ బెల్ ని కూడా రింగ్ చేసేయండి. మా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అన్ని మీ మొబైల్లో వస్తాయి. అలాగే మా వీడియోస్ మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, నచ్చకపోతే కామెంట్ చేయండి.